Okay, look. See, it's charging. Now, this one has power, but see, even if it's turned on, it will not charge. Here's the other one. Watch this.
My cell phone battery runs out pretty quickly, and I've been looking for a portable charger, and I just received the Anker 6, and I'm really happy with it. On and off button, this is where you plug in, easy for storage, recharges here. It's lightweight, it's portable.
With Tomoko Yoshido and Jason Blossom. Kitty's son, before such a tragedy, he was an inspiration.
So this is the Anker little charger, and I love this thing. Like, it's still got a charge. I can't even remember when I charged this thing, and it just stays in my purse for when I need it for my phone. And
This is all it does. Does not go. It does not hold a charge. It's useless.